everyone, my name is Allie and I'm a children's librarian at Cheshire Public Library. On this episode, I'll be sharing an early literacy tip to help your child get ready to read. Talking to your child is so important in that it teaches them new words. Talking about what you're cooking or eating is a great way to introduce new vocabulary to your child. This is a fun rhyme that uses descriptive words that you can find in the kitchen. So today I'm doing this rhyme as a lap bounce, and since I don't have a baby, I have a little help from Pete the cat, and he's going to be my baby today. So here's how it goes. I'm a toast in the toaster and I'm getting very hot. Tick tock, up I pop. And you can do this with babies, toddlers, or preschoolers. So babies will sit in your lap, while older children can just crouch down and then pop up on their own. So thanks for watching. Please follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos from the library. Also, check out our website at cheshirelibrary.org. Stay safe and be well.